2024 Transit. It looks like the AC pulley decided to quit the game. It is loose, not yet that noisy, but definitely it needs to be coming apart, and I have to replace the bearing. I found the bearing, so it's just a matter of being able to press it out and pressing in. This is what I'm going to use. I will use this cup and this one to press it out. So this is the setup. This cup will press it and this other one will receive it. Hopefully it will go smoothly, and then we're gonna go backwards. So all I need to do, I just need to be patient and go ahead with this. There is an inspection hole. I can see the bearing is coming out now. Sometimes there is a pop when it starts moving, and from then on it's that easy. Sometimes you have to have the right tools, because if you don't, well, you just cannot do this. Then you can buy the pulley with the new bearing. New pulley, new bearing. That's the other option. That's it. This is out now. Hopefully there is no damage to the pulley, because if there is any, then I need to buy a new pulley. Simple as that. But it's always cheaper to buy the bearing. This is the one. I can't see any damage, which is good. Before you install the new bearing, you can do two things. One is to clean this with something like this. Make sure it's really clean, and then you use some brake clean. The other thing is you can go smart and you can heat this pulley up, and you can cool the bearing down in a freezer. Maybe you put it in like for 3 hours or something if you are not in the rush. You can apply some engine oil on this surface, just a tiny bit, nothing crazy. And if you are lucky, you don't even have to press it with a tool, maybe only your finger. So this is the old bearing. and as you can see, this is destroyed. It's no longer moving because basically you cannot press on the outer edge, and you don't want to press on the inner edge. It's better to press on the dust seal, so in the middle, this rubber bit, but that way you're gonna ruin it completely. It doesn't really matter if you have the right bearing to replace. That's all. I just finished pressing this bearing in, and I just want to say, make sure the cup what you put underneath is directly under this inner ring, not the outer one, because if you press it in holding the outer ring here, there, there, there and there, it will break. Okay, obviously you press from this side and also you need to use the correct size, pressing the outer ring, not the inner one, not the balls, outer ring. And if the bearing leans to one side like that, you can use a punch like this. You hammer on the outer edge until it's level again, and then you can carry on pressing. Do not press the bearing if it's not going straight in. If it's leaning to one side, do not continue until it's straight.